What is going on, my good people, man? This is going to be an update on the Osmo action. It appears to be there's a lot of things that's going on with using an iOS device that is not coming up. The live stream thing, it's not available there. So what I did is that there is an update for iOS using the iPhone XS Max. So it's 13.4. Currently, it's updating right now. So what we have then is we're going to run through that update because there is no available DJI Mimo app that is pushing through on the older version. So basically the live stream application is not available. So if we scroll down here, there is no Mimo app available on my app store. This is the version of my DJI Mimo app under the current iOS, so it's not done uploading yet. You might want to double check that side because some of our folks, shout out to the osmoaction group in Facebook, they have pointed it out, and also for the YouTube channel. So some of the guys put it in there that they have to update my Mimo app, which is, you know, it's common sense, but I did check that one. It's not available in my app store, so I have to update my operating system on my iPhone XS Max and see if there will be an available update for the Mimo application for the DJI, and we will see it from there.
So what happened was there is a live stream update on our DJI Osmo action. I would say it's a good feature that DJI added a live stream for our Osmo action because this camera is so versatile and it's very good. With that added feature, is going to be more flexible for content creators. So what I did is I updated the version of my iOS to 13.4. But until then, I did not see any updates on my app store for my DJI Osmo action, which is DJI Mimo. So what I did is some of the Osmo action friends here in Facebook, we have a group in Facebook, he had sent out a barcode with iOS, Android, and Linux, and there's a barcode in there. I'll post the link in the description. So what I did is I went and picking up my camera, the app for the camera, regular camera. You scan that barcode, automatically it will direct you to the app store and it will update your Mimo application. So that's what I went through. Took me a little bit of time because I was juggling between, you know, chores and all that stuff, but this is an update for us. Until then, it was a functioning live stream is available in our Osmo action, which is amazing. Aside from the stability of the old OS, it was updated to the newest firmware. There's a lot of stabilization in the camera and so on and so forth. But the main meat of this one is the live stream. Now we are in the live stream part. Confirm we got live stream on the Osmo action. We'll run through the process on how it will connect, configuration inside the Mimo app, and overall the quality of the Osmo action streaming live to, you know, Facebook, YouTube, whichever platform you prefer. You can have choices in there, but let's go through it. So here we're going to test out the quality of our live stream using the Osmo action. So here I got my Rode Video Micro, I got my Sinova adapter in my bag clip. So it's a simple, typical setup. Turn on your Osmo action. In here, make sure you're connected with the Wi-Fi and the Bluetooth. It's imperative for you to do that because it will not take, I believe, a mobile network. It requires, I'll walk you through in a little bit here. So once you launch your DJI Mimo app, it sees the Osmo action, you connect to it. So you join the network. So once you're inside the application, what happens here is you're gonna go scroll down to the other side, which is all the way down there. So let me get back to you. Yesterday it wasn't available here. So in the end part, you'll see a live stream. So you go in the live stream tab, you get a platform to pick. You know, there's I believe there's Facebook, YouTube. This one you can manually set up for anything. I believe you can use for, you know, streamers, Twitch. I believe that's the setup for that one. But for now, we're gonna pick up Facebook. It's the easiest part. Once it connects, you will see that it will flash a live stream option in the Osmo action itself. Now in this part, it's pretty straight up approach. This would be the connection. So I have configured it to my router all the way to the top. So I figured out that if you use a mobile network, you got to unleash your hotspot. I have tried a hotspot, but it's not catching up. The application is not sniffing my personal hotspot. So I decided just to stick with the Wi-Fi in my house. So that's its configuration there. On this side, you put your, description for your live stream. Down here, you can choose friends, everyone. It's your privacy thing. 720p down here or 480p. So what we're gonna do right here, guys, is we pick the highest quality, which is 720p. Down here, it's 4 Mbps. Let's go out with 4. And the rest would be, I don't want to tinker with the thing. I don't want to, save it to the SD card because I want a live stream. That would be the main purpose if you're going to use a live stream. It's up to you, but there's a choice for that one. Now, the next move we're going to do is we're going to click live stream. So you can see we're actually live right now. Live stream does not support any live views. So if you go live stream, you're not going to see any live stuff in here. It's cumbersome, but this is going to be 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. What's up, fam? What's up, fam? Test sound check. Test sound check. Testing the live stream capability of the DJI Osmo Action, guys. This is an actual live stream, 720p directly to Facebook. So you can see we're actually live right now. Live stream does not support any live views. So if you go live stream, you're not going to see any live stuff in here. It's cumbersome, but this is going to be 1, 2, 3. Test 1, 2, 3. What's up, fam? What's up, fam? Couple of things here. When we live stream, there's a couple flaws right off the bat when you use the DJI application. It's not like the Mavic Air that we use. You can view everything while you fly your drone, you see everything. In the Mimo app, you cannot see anything that you view or you shoot in your camera. Maybe, in my opinion, if you can see it in here as well, because it's just like a blindly, countdown. But having that front-facing camera, at least you're live or you're talking. However, I must say, if you have that video here as well, it could probably, I would say, better framing because it's a bit bigger one. It's a bigger frame, it's a bigger LCD versus the small one. That's just one of the opinions that I got. So small and big. So that would be the screen size. Now it automatically puts your camera to 1080p at 30 frames per second. So this is the one that goes through the camera. So I got default here for 4K, 24 FPS. But once you go live stream, it goes automatically throw it to 1080p and 30 frames per second because that would be the configuration on our Mimo app. Now let's go to the quality. So here's the thing with the streaming quality. I would say it's decent enough for streaming purposes. But the end quality of the streaming could be better because it's only capped as 720p HD. However, when I tried to extract the video, maybe because it's already downscale, because what I see about this one is that the quality of the Osmo Action is very good for a small camera, for the size of the sensors. It's very, very good. But then again, the quality travels from the DJI Mimo app traveling through Facebook Live, and then the quality is severely, downsized, with downrest. At the end of the download for our testing, I ended up with 640 by 360. That's not even 720p. So the quality isn't that great. but at least for the testings of the other users that I've seen yesterday, it was severely pixelated in their end. But I would say as well that we are connected to my Wi-Fi, and I'm currently running under 1 Gbps, where it's not 1 gigabit, but I would say around in the air, I would say 300 Mbps or 400 Mbps, should we say. Now, that would be the only thing that I can see around the quality side of the live stream. It does not give us the full 720p. I think there's a lot of improvements for DJI on that in the future updates. But currently, we can use the live stream feature of the device. It's good to have it here. It can be polished. At least we have that option, that extra, length, the framing, it's wide, the angles, it's far better than shooting in your, multiple devices. I got my Android here and all that stuff. But then again, it's if you live stream quarantine right now, you can put it in your punching bag. If you got punching bag in your, workout, you can do a lot of stuff on an action camera that's purposely built for doing action stuff. That would be the main purpose if you ask me for live streaming this thing. But other than that, the main support for the firmware updates, for the camera itself, this is a stud. The versatility of this device is amazing. As you can see, there's gonna be my go-to vlogging gear. If not, you can just remove the mic, wear your backpack in the mountains or so, or just walking in the airport, clip it in your bag. That's it. You can just clip it in your bag and just walk. Stabilization is good. It's very good. Rock steady. And once again, DJI Osmo Action. This is a beast of a camera. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.